Hello friends, welcome to a brand new React Native project where we are going to build a very simple timer app using React Native. So let us do it. I already have Expo installed. If you don't have Expo installed, go to the React Native site. It's just a simple npm expo install. So Expo, I have to do Expo. In a folder I am the Expo init timer React Native. I'll do, and so it is giving something like this. So here you have to come to this blank one only, then it will install. I think it will take some time, so let me pause the video. So I generally don't use any emulator. I have just connected my Android phone to my desktop using USB, and there is a Scrappy Win application is there. I have connected through that. So this is how I generally work, because most of the emulators are very slow. So after that I will our app is done, so I will go to cd timer React Native, and then I will start it with code first. Let me start it with VS Code. So let me make it of the correct size. Okay, this is our app.js. Let me increase the size. Okay, I have increased the size, and here I just have to do a npm start. Npm start I have done. Yeah, so it will start in this. So I am starting the expo in my we don't want this that much, so I have started the expo in my mobile, and then there is a scan QR code is there. I will see, this is my mobile scan QR code, and I'm scanning the QR code which is provided. So you don't even need to link your mobile to your desktop, because I am showing it on YouTube. That's why I have linked it. You just need your mobile, and Expo app is there, and through the your scanner you scan it. Scan this ID, scan this barcode or no, not barcode, this QR code, and you will get it. So you don't even, you just need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. I think, yeah, you need to be in the same Wi-Fi network. So this is done, and this is what is been shown by default for every React Native app. Let me keep my phone down and let me start. Okay, so this is working. We'll do, I think, everything here only. So this is what it is been shown, and we'll start from here only. View styles.container is there, then we'll show some of the things from, let me get rid of this text, and status bar is okay, style is light content. Okay, then touchable opacity. Yeah, touchable opacity I require. Touchable opacity from React Native, it is already done, and so we need to wrap everything with this. So touchable opacity, and there will be an on press handler. On press will be there, equal to right now it is null, not bull, it is null right now. Okay, let's style equal to styles dot button. Okay, and there will be a text will be start. So we are going to have a button style equal to styles dot button text. Styles dot create is there, and container it is okay. Let us change the background color a bit. Okay, 07121B, it is okay. And this button style also let us give now. So this is how you style in React Native. So button, border width is 10, border color is hash B9AAFF, comma this one. Then this button text also we will do. Button text is font size. So this is the way we do inline styling in React also. So a lot of things are like that, but we don't have any div or everything. Means I think you can go through I have 2 more videos on React Native till now, and planning to have some more videos, because on this channel right now I will continue on React journey only, React, JavaScript, React Native, all those things only. I have some Flutter videos also. If you want, you can see those videos. Okay, so see, it has been shown like this. Auto refresh kind of a thing is there. So this start button is there. Okay, but it is square. Now we want to make this button as round. Okay, so and the problem with React Native is that we don't have anything like div or something. So for that, if you want to center it, we have to use a trick. So we have to use something known as dimensions, which is based on your device size. So all devices are of different sizes, because most of the Android device, someone is for small, someone are big. So that's why we use something known as dimensions. So let me import that. Dimensions is there. After that, const screen equal to dimensions dot get window. Then you have to come back to this button and add all those things there. So let me take it on the top, and width is screen dot width divided by 2. Height is screen dot width only we will take, width divided by 2. Border radius is screen dot width divided by 2. Align items is center, and justify content is center. Yeah, so let me save it, and we have this cool round button. Okay, start. So we are making a simple timer, you should understand. So next we'll add the logic to display timer text about this. So there have to be timer text, so let's do that. So for that we need a state, and for state in React we use state. So let us do that. Use state comma use effect also we will use. Okay, so use a state and use effect we are going to use. So we are here. Okay, const. So we are going to first have a state variable remaining sex comma set remaining sex. So this is how we use the state. So most of the concept are React concept only. So user state start with is 0, and we will have another user state const is active comma set is active equal to use state of false const means comma sex equal to get remaining, and this remaining seconds will be there. Now what is this get remaining? So let us first do this get remaining is actually a function. So let me have it here, const get remaining equal to time const means equal to math dot floor time divided by 60 const sex equal to time minus means into 60, and then we will return mins and sec. Okay, so this we are getting it from there, mins and sec object destructuring type of. Okay, so next have a come here and have a toggle. This toggle we will be calling soon. Toggle function set is active is to not off is active, so we are toggling it. Then use effect. Okay, use effect will have something also. Let me put it later on. So use effect let interval equal to null if is active, then interval equal to set interval. So set interval, this is JavaScript function. So set remaining sex. So set interval runs after whatever interval you give. So it is again a JavaScript function. Set remaining sex is remaining sex, remaining seconds is, it will change it to remaining seconds plus 1. Okay, and here there will be 1000, else if not of is active and remaining sex is less than equal to 0, then clear interval is interval, and after that we will return it clear interval. Okay, clear interval and interval will be there, and this one, yeah. So use effect, it will change whenever the is active will change and remaining seconds will change. It will change at that time. Okay, so this is there, and now yeah, this toggle, where is this toggle? So use effect will be called at the first time and also when this changes. So that's why we gave it here. So toggle on press, it will not call this null on press, it will call this dot toggle. This dot toggle will be called, and it will be doing the set active to is active. It will change it, whatever it is, true to false, false to true, and then this will trigger because it is, we are changing the is active. So this use effect will be triggered again, and then the interval will be called, and it will show the remaining second. Okay, so whatever, so like this, toggle is there, text is style dot button. Okay, so we'll have a text also. First, before that, style dot button. Okay, let me put a text first. Text, because we have to show the text. Style equal to styles dot timer text, which we are soon going to do it, and backtick dollar means and dollar seconds, and this is done. And start or pause. Okay, so start or pause, this is will be either start or it will be pause. So how it will be there, there is a is active is there, so we are checking that is active is there. If it is active is true, then it will show pause, or else it will show start. The text is like this. Okay, so that is done, and now we have to add one more thing, this timer text. I am talking timer text. This timer text will add color is hash fff 3 times, comma, font size is 90, comma, margin bottom is 20. Okay, let me save it, and it is doing refreshing. Didn't cannot find variable sec. Where is sec? Oh, got it. It should be sex. Okay. Cannot find variable toggle. Okay. On press. Okay. I got it. On press. Let me pause it. Okay, it was my mistake. Actually, I was confusing with class based and functional component. So it will be const here, and the toggle will be here like this, and so yeah, it is working fine. But see, the number is not coming perfect, and we can pause it also. So it is working fine, but the number generally it doesn't looks like this, your timer app. So it is a stopwatch type of thing. It doesn't look like them. So where do we have to format it? So how do we format it? First, let's have another function, helper function, const format number equal to number, this 0, then dollar number, so whatever number you're passing here in this function, it will slice it to -2, and so inline function, so it will slice it to -2, and then numbers, it will be format number like this. Okay, means will be format numbers like this, and seconds will be like you have guessed, it will be seconds. So now it is looking perfect, and if I start it, so it is coming perfectly, and I can pause it also. So this is a start button. So let us add a reset button also. So how we will use a reset button? So for that, after your touchable opacity, let me copy all these things. I will copy it, and on press it will call a different thing known as reset. We don't have any this here. Okay, that was my mistake. And another thing, reset. Okay, so another thing which we are going to use, it is only in React Native that we can use something in style known as array type of format we can use. So what happens with that, you can have the old format and add a new format to it. Means let me do it, then it will be easier. So if I add this thing, so this style will contain the button, but this class styles also, and I can then give a comma and the newer style. So it is sort of adding to it, styles dot button reset, because we want some of the common style and we want its own style also. So like this, and similarly we'll do here also like this, comma styles dot button text reset will be there. Okay, so first let us make this reset, then we'll move ahead. So let us make it near here only, so it will have something similarly like this. We have to do it and set remaining seconds will be 0, it will make, and set is active, it will make it false. So it is simple like this only. And the next thing which we need to do is to have these two styles like comma, button is reset, and margin top is 20, comma, border color is hash ff851b, comma, button text reset, and color is hash ff8f1b. Let me save it and see our reset button is also there. So let me start it again. So it is working fine. Pause it, reset it to 0 and all this thing, again start it. So it is working. Pause it, reset it. So it is working fine. So this completes our small tutorial on a simple timer app in React Native. There will be more bigger builds in React Native soon on this channel, so please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you.